I have this cheap saw for years. It's good for aluminum, soft metals, wood. I kept throwing off the belt, and finally I lost the belt. Found the upper one, I just glued it back, and I couldn't find any material for the lower one. And since it kept throwing off the belt, I had to adjust the motor. I shimmed it in the back, 5 top shims on 2 bolts. I phoned the given number. Of course, there is no answer, no parts. Well, it works. The adjusting screws broke, and just sliding adjusters, 3mm bolts. Finally, I realized that I have a piece of leather, and I figured I'm going to cut pieces and glue it on with contact cement. Well, that one is a little bit too wide. Oh, that's original, not water-based cement. Nowadays they use water-based. Well, installed, and the bottom one has a leather tire, and it's working, usable, good for aluminum, keeps the belt on, square enough, usable tool. Actually, what can I expect for $60? Thank you for watching.